should they expect, what should they not expect, what is happening, so that they'll be able to be prepared. Because I've been watching a lot of traders. They've been saying, Tina, we're gonna make you millionaires. Tina, we're gonna make you this, and most people know. Because if you can tell people that you're gonna make them a millionaire, they're gonna come with that mentality of, what, this guy gonna make me a millionaire. And then if those expectations cannot come there, it means obviously you'll be at the wrong side of them. So what can you give the advices to the people? What advice can you give them about forex? If somebody like me, maybe I want to go to forex, but I don't know anything about it, what advice can you give me?
Forex market is a very, very harsh market. You need emotions actually, because basically what's happening here, forex, it's a 10% system, and then 90% it's all in your mind. You understand how you understand the market, how you control your emotions basically. So as a first time forex trader, you can actually make a lot of money, but most forex traders, newcomers actually, they tend to lose more because of a disease called greedy. So if you are a first time forex trader, I would advise that you stick to your demo account, like as in like right now, as you can see. I don't know if it's visible. I'm busy right now. I'm working. I know how the market operates because I've been trading for so long. Basically, I've been on my demo account for about 3 months. I'd suggest you try to find demo account for at least 3 months. Get to understand how the market operates. Understand how to buy, how to sell. And most people, they are more concerned about how to get rich. No, forex is not about getting rich, because once you go in the market with that mentality that I wanna buy AMG, of course I wanna buy AMG as well, but then again,
which you're on the way,
yeah, just because I'm not driving it now does not mean I can't afford it.
Wonderful.
But then again, I cannot buy AMG and then be left broke. It's useless. I've got to budget and stuff. So as a first time forex trader, wannabe forex trader, I would advise that you get a demo account first. Get a demo account and then do a little research, man. All this information, go Google, and then ask me, DJ Coach Tsekeleke on Facebook. I don't use my real names, so you can ask me for tips. I've actually helped a lot of people, and today it's the first Friday of.
Let me just switch here a little bit so that you can be able to see this is the market. This is where it's been trading, as you can see.
Yes. So actually today it's the first Friday of November. So basically every Friday of each month, like the first Friday of each month, like today, there's actually an event, like it's the biggest event on the market. Actually today I've made a couple of dollars. I'm not gonna tell because I might be owing people, So they might want me to pay, So basically you need to do a little research about forex. I don't trade every day. I've got specific times. I've got timetable. The reason why is because people who trade on a daily basis, they lose a lot of money. I'm an economic trader. If you have actually seen the forex graph before, you will see that sometimes they are actually longer bars than than others. And then you ask yourself, what actually pushed that bar up or down? You understand? So such issues are caused by events like NFP, which means non-farms payroll. Basically, it's a report being released by it's US government, state, blah blah blah. I forgot the name, but then again they released the report which states how many jobs they've actually created within that period. So as soon as the report is released, today it was released at 2:30. Depending on the outcome of the report, you might actually experience much more greater movements in the market. So basically what I do, I create pending orders. I've actually learned pending orders from my boy here. I had no clue. I make pending orders. I make pending orders. I don't actually open a trade directly as the event is going on because the graph is crazy. It moves faster than normal.
Really crazy. It's really crazy.
I wanted to go live at 2:30 today, but I couldn't due to network. I don't know if it's Saturday.
This guy, he's putting blames on Satan. You know, guys. For a little bit of an info, ne?
Yeah.
It's not like he studies economics. He's an economist by profession, by the way. He's an economist by profession. So whatever he's talking about here, whatever the markets, the institutions that he's talking about, he knows what is happening there about the markets, the information, the world banks, and whatever the exchange rates and whatever is happening. He has information, the basic information that you need. So whatever, if you need anything concerning Forex, you can inbox him on Facebook. It's DJ Coach Tsekeleke, right?
Yeah,
info.
And most Forex
can take it
traders, they charge you. These things should be free, man. We are black people. I come from Beresford, by the way, but currently I'm at Pretoria, so I cannot expect you to pay, while I know you got no money. That's why you want to join Forex in the first place.
Exactly.
You understand? So I'm going to share this info for free,
It's a black economy. It's all about developing each other.
Yeah, and then most rich Forex traders, they will fight with me because I'm going to reveal certain secrets. They love saying there's Forex secrets, blah, blah. No, the information is out there. It's just a matter of you using it wisely, Nobody actually taught me Forex, but this guy introduced me to Forex. But as for the rest, I did my own research, I never paid anyone to attend classes. And mostly somebody might ask themselves, how much do I make on Forex? Now, that's a great question. How much can I make?
I'm really curious about this question. How much do you really make?
How much do I make on Forex?
But
I'm on pounds. I'm not on dollars or euros. I'm on pounds. So basically, every event I can make roughly between 500 pounds to somewhere around 2,000 pounds.
Guys, do your math. Just go to Google and Google how much is the pounds equivalent to African rands.
Yeah. It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
You can make yourself a living out of Forex. You don't have to go and work for somebody else. You can chase your dream through Forex. You can gain the financial freedom. You remember, we are the generations of the wild dogs. You don't have to go out there and wait for some people. You don't have to go out there and help people build their dreams. We have our own dreams. It's only a matter of a choice. Sorry guys, these people are just in WhatsApping us, we're busy, but it's fine. It's only a matter of what's in the mind, Some people will tell you, you can go there, you won't be successful, blah, 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 and then you're going to consume that thing. Life is all a matter of choices. It's all about what you eat yourself. What is it that you really want in your life? Life is governed by laws, the law of attractions. You need to understand what kind of laws. What is really life based on? Life is based on choices. If you're gonna believe what people are saying about you, you're gonna be whatever you say. But then me and my boy, we made a choice that we're gonna be financial. We're gonna live a financial freedom. You don't really depend on other people. It's time you make a choice. It's time there's a lot of things that you can do to earn yourself some income. Your forex trading, your network marketing, those selling those cosmetics. It's a network marketing thing. It's very growing. You can make a lot of money. So you don't be lazy. It's a matter of how deep you dig your hand, how deep you get your hand. Stop being lazy. Stop putting blame on other people. It's only a matter of a choice and finding information. They say the truth is for only those who seek it. If you really want the truth, you're gonna go and do, and no matter what it takes, you're gonna go out there and seek it. Don't be ashamed of asking questions. Don't be ashamed of inboxing us and finding a lot of information. Go to my boy and he'll be able to help you. From your boy Inspired American Book, I say, guys, I love you so much. And my boy could at least say goodbye to my people, some